Hello and welcome to Lecture 4, Intergroup Contact and Social Wellbeing. In this lecture, we will explore how intergroup contact does not only improve relation between groups, but also enhance social well-being. By social well-being, we mean the perception of being socially accepted and connected. As we discussed in previous lecture, positive intergroup contact is a powerful tool for reducing prejudice. However, its effects go beyond attitude toward others. When students from different backgrounds interact positively, they do not just change how they see the outgroup. They also feel better about themselves and about the social environment they are part of. In other words, intergroup contact can improve social well-being. University life is strongly shaped by social relationships. Feeling accepted, included, and connected to others plays a central role in student psychological adjustment, motivation, and engagement. Intergroup contact can contribute to these outcomes by creating opportunities for meaningful social connection across group boundaries. For example, when students from different backgrounds have positive contact experiences, they often feel more connected, more confident, and more socially accepted. These effects emerge because contact allows people to interact on a personal level. Through cooperation or simply spending time together, students discover similarities, share stories, laugh together, and realize that they face similar challenges. These everyday interactions may seem simple, but they are psychologically powerful. They help transform relationships from us versus them into more personal and meaningful connection. Over time, this interaction can change how people define their sense of belonging. Positive contact helps individuals feel part of a broader we, a shared community in which diversity is seen as something to value rather than something to fear. In this way, intergroup contact supports a more inclusive and cohesive sense of community. There is a growing body of research that has examined the link between intergroup contact and social well-being. For example, Stati and colleagues found that positive and frequent face-to-face intergroup contact was associated with greater self-expansion and lower feeling of loneliness. Moreover, when people had few or low quality direct interaction with the outgroup, high quality digital contact was linked to higher self expansion. Other studies by Wright and colleagues showed that cross group friendship reduce prejudice when they promote self expansion, that is, when people come to include the outgroup member and by extension the outgroup itself in the self. This psychological closeness leads to greater empathy, less intergroup anxiety, and more positive behaviors toward the outgroup. Finally, Baggi and colleagues found that children who felt confidence in their ability to make and maintain cross-ethnic friendships, that is, high self-efficacy, reported closer and higher quality intergroup friendship. This confidence was strengthened by positive contact experiences, low intergroup anxiety, and exposure to their parents' diverse friendship. It is important to remember that when contact improves social well-being, it does not benefit just the individual involved. It helps the whole community. Students who feel accepted and connected are more likely to participate, to help others, and to contribute to a more inclusive university environment.